I got this Kasori dehydrator months ago and it has been running non-stop ever since. This is a great one if you're a beginner to dehydrating because it gives you a chance to experiment with different foods. We have dehydrated herbs in here like basil, oregano, and mint, and then make fruit leather almost every week. We also have been dehydrating peels like orange peels and pomegranate peels and play around with the temperature and times to get the ideal point of dehydration. This is the smaller version of the dehydrator. There is a bigger one from this brand, which is probably better for the more experienced. I like this one because it comes with 5 stainless steel trays, a mesh screen, and a fruit roll sheet. I will say I don't love the fruit roll sheet. The fruit leather does get stuck, but you can lay a parchment paper down and then it will work just fine. Or you could get silicone fruit leather sheets that you can lay on top of the stainless steel tray and it works great. For the most part, the presets are pretty good. You have 4 presets, which are meat, fruit, veggies, and snacks. We mostly use the fruit and veggies preset. I will adjust as needed though, as I get better with understanding how the dehydration process works. I like that this machine doesn't emit so much heat as well. It's a clean look, and like I said, if you're in your beginner dehydrator era, then this is a great option.